What? Oh.
Wow, okay.
Why, hello there.
Wow.
Would you like a hot dog?
I'm not craving for a hot dog, but I just sure do love to repair generators. Oh. What? I hate this game, bro. Oh yeah, I did that wrong. I didn't even realize. Ah, there we go. That's better. Hello. Uh-oh. Looks like somebody might be Never mind. I need to stun him. Hi. Well, this does suck, apparently. Oh. Oh my god! No. No, leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm just a clock. I'm just a clock. Please. No! No!
There.
What? Wow. Okay. Oh no! Why'd I spawn next to you? Got you. Oh, that was quick. Nothing to see here, I suppose. Okay, I gotta stun him. What is wrong with these? Oh my god. Hey, no, that wasn't me, that wasn't me. That wasn't me. That wasn't me. That wasn't me, that was the other chance. Yeah. Oh, okay, never mind. Never mind, chance died. Oh, worry, bro. Can you leave me alone? No! I think I got it. Stop! I'm gonna aim for that guest, bro. I swear to God. I die!
Oh, I see what you're doing.
Who are you calling Tony the talking clock, huh?
Did you just call me Did you just call me Dorilius?
Really? Wow. Okay. So, this is gonna be fun. And you. Hi. Hello. Ow! Got you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, my lag.
Bro, I'm lagging.
Same, bro. Same.
Not you.
Aww. Thanks for giving me the burrows, whoever did that. Thank you.
Walk down, going to high school.
I hate you! Drink. Hey. I'm sorry. I said I was sorry. Ow!